Hey there, I told you guys I'd be back with our green beans unveiling, so it's time. And someone's distracting me outside. Motherfucker, I told him I was filming. Anyways, yeah, there he goes. As you can see, I picked these yesterday and I just went ahead and, to keep them kind of fresh, stuck them in a paper grocery bag, no big deal. And basically what I'm gonna do is prepare these to freeze, because what happens is with pretty minimal effort, not gonna lie to you. Okay, just make sure you have somebody down there to water them every day, like some guy that likes you and wants to please you perhaps, or lady that wants to please. Just kidding, I'm not advocating that at all. Anyways, the deal is a little bit of effort in the summertime and you're gonna be able to totally crashing my studio. You're gonna be able to enjoy really summer tasting vegetables all year long. It's extremely worth it. So what I recommend, I do go ahead and wash them off. Of course, ours are totally organic. We don't put, pesticides on them. And I don't know, for me, I don't mind a little dirt in my food, so I don't get super aggro about like scrubbing them or anything. I just make sure there's no like actual particles or bugs in there, right? The other thing I do is once that's done, I just go ahead and cut kind of these ends off, and I like to put them into bite-sized chunks. That's just me, you do you, and stick them in my Instapot, which is amazing for blanching stuff to freeze, not just, green beans. I do these like little custard squashes, exactly the same method. And the nice thing is, even though you might have some like gnarly kind of over mature beans, last year we froze these without using this method, and I just kind of almost threw all of them out because they were so tough. But the beauty of the Instapot is it tenderizes stuff, so they come out really great this way. Basically what I recommend is a pound of your veggies to 1 cup water. If you want to stick spices in there, you totally can. I do it plain because usually the flavor of these beans is amazeballs, right? And then you actually have to set your Instapot at high pressure for 0 minutes. And what that's going to do is the build-up time to that high pressure point is enough to cook them just perfectly. And then you're gonna do a quick release when it's done. I run them under cool water. You can speed up the cooling down process if you want with ice water. You don't have to. It works with cold water just fine. And then you're gonna be happy to have this stuff in your freezer all winter long.